Guys, so today I'm bringing you a cut crease and a double cut crease. So I started by putting a little bit of my base on, and then I used a little bit of the vanilla chocolate in this palette. I also used the caramel, salted caramel, I believe that's the name, and I also put it under my eye. And then here I just started tracing where I kind of figured out where I wanted this bold eyeliner to be. I cut out a little heart and placed it as a sticker, and this is gonna help, and you'll see why later. So then I am just using a gel eyeliner. I forgot which one is this one right now, but it's a gel eyeliner, and I just put it everywhere. I also used black eyeshadow to set it. So I'm using, I think this one's called Twinkle Light or something like that. I really forgot, but it's a glamorized pigment. So I'm using the Nude palette, and that's the black I was talking about. I'm just setting that in. I put a little bit of black eyeliner in the waterline and in the lower lash line, and I'm just smoking that out a little bit. Took off the sticker while trying, and that's what it looks like, more or less. Eyelashes time. A little bit of mascara never hurt a girl. And later I decided to just add a double cut crease to see what it would look like. I likey Mikey. You need to have a very steady hand. If you decide to recreate this, please tag me in arabikqueen on Instagram. I want to see. And this is real time, you guys. I'm not slowing the video down. Real time. Oh, geez, my eyelash was falling there. Don't look at that. And this is what it looked like. So since it's a anti-Valentine's Day video, I decided to break that little heart. Yes, I did. Not bad though. It looks better when you could actually see the corner. So I am using the ColourPop highlighter. This is my favorite so far, and I'm just dabbing that on everywhere, almost everywhere, with a black eyeliner. I lined it up my lipstick, and then I used an LA Color matte lipstick to put on top of that. It's already dark, so the black really doesn't show, but it stands out. And that's what it looks like. I hope you liked the video and the look, and see you next time.